When Sri Lanka was divided by chaos and foreign rule, one king rose to rebuild the nation, King Datusena. Before King Datusena came to power, Sri Lanka was politically unstable. The island was fragmented, and parts were controlled by South Indian rulers. Internal conflicts weakened the kingdom, and central authority was collapsing. Datusena emerged as a strong military leader. Through decisive battles, he defeated foreign rulers and rivals, reunifying the country. His victory marked the restoration of native rule and stability. As king, Datusena strengthened the army, secured borders, and restored order. His rule brought peace after decades of turmoil, allowing the kingdom to focus on growth instead of survival. King Datusena is best remembered as a master builder. He constructed massive irrigation works, including the Kala Wewa, one of the greatest reservoirs of ancient Sri Lanka. These projects transformed agriculture, ensured food security, and supported generations to come. A devoted Buddhist, King Datusena supported the Sangha, restored temples, and protected Buddhist institutions. His rule strengthened Buddhism as a guiding force of the kingdom. King Datusena was more than a warrior. He was a restorer of land, faith, and national pride. His legacy still flows through Sri Lanka, in water, stone, and history. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.